who I am materialistically or egoistically, or I am that guy, great guy, this and that, but truthful, like heart-centered, like what I felt about myself. Like until 14 years, I felt like I am that innocent guy. I am very innocent. This is what I felt about myself. I got bullied a lot in my school, teased, criticized, beaten, physically, emotionally. This had been my experience until my 14. Like most of the time, this is because this identity I carried. I carried I am innocent, I am poor, I am this and that. You understand? And after 14, something else happened. Like I went into the depth of it. Everyone, everywhere I was experiencing it, I got fed up. And something opposite came. I became that guy who was misbehaving with me. I became that guy who teased me. You understand? Someone had teased me. Now I try to embrace that part. I'm a victim at the first part. After being victim, and automatically I felt this is not helping me anywhere. And they are happy. Everyone else are supporting them, respecting them. That's had been my experience. So why not? Let me play that role. So I went into that side of it. I became mischievous. Like after crying and crying, getting hurt again and again, I started to become that smart guy. Right? And people who are, these people who are getting respect, like whenever someone in our schools are very strong, the people are there around them. There is a whole gang there, So I was seeing them, okay, something is happening, they are getting more respect, more following. So I slowly moved towards that polarity. And then it happened, like I became that. And again, at the age of 17, 18, I also got the power of spirituality. At the age of 17, I encountered something called meditation. And then I started reading the literature. I started reading Bhagavad Gita at the age of 17, and Osho, Rajneesh books, Richard Buck. These books and all I was reading, I was experiencing something else. I was experiencing my willpower. Like once I was riding a bicycle to the meditation center and the air was flowing this side. Then I read Bhagavad Gita, this and that, I am that Atma, I am that powerful soul. And Patriji says wherever in that pyramid and all, you are God. If I am God, this air should listen to me. So I command the air not to flow this side, but this side. And then suddenly air comes on this side. To my surprise. Then I believed in myself. So I can do anything. I can change the path of the air. So like this, a lot of miracles happened in my life that we will share step by step. But this is the part which I encountered. I became a philosophical rebel. I became that rebel, spiritualistic rebel, who does things no one else can do. Right? I once want to compete with a train, not by running beside the train, but before the train. Just want to think, I kept one goal, like there will be a railway track there, railway gate. Until that, I will not leave this lane. I will run faster than the train, and I will do that until that. So I was testing my own willpower. I was that rebel, I was that spiritualistic rebel. I was powerful, I was playing with my power. I am that powerful guy. I was having this identity. And I done it, like once I reached the railway gate, I got the bridge, got out of the bridge and the train, it was the best kick in my life, It was like these things, I used to touch that, I used to be very adventurous. I used to do things which no one else will do. So that is a part of me which I discovered, became that rebel. and I used to challenge everyone. I never listened to anyone. Once in a meeting, I scolded my vice principal. In a school, in a college meeting, there are some guests, this and that. I don't mind. I don't care. You have done wrong. I will scold you. I have done all sort of nonsense. I was suspended for ragging. You know, I used to do all the things which are not allowed. That's what my kick is. Something is not allowed, I will do that. Something will break that norm, break the status quo. This has been my whole journey. Until 22, I lived with that, and after 22, I went into the real world. Until then, I was college. College life is different. There is a lot of freedom, hostel. Every other day, police essay has to come. इतना fighting होता था, मतलब हमारा college में. Like the real film type college. Yeah, we used to fight, blood comes, this and that. And then some guys goes to girls' hostels and girls comes to our hostel secretly. So such kind of college we are, and it was nice, we had that. There the rebellism was respected. That feeling of being a rebel was respected. And then once that again I went to company as an employee, again the domestication process started slowly. When I was college, I can roam until night 2, 3. Then I went to Chennai. I was roaming on the beach. 12, police patrolling came. What are you doing here? कभी नहीं हुआ है. No, I started learning about society, right? So this is how I slowly started become manipulative, right? And earlier I was getting what I want by being the rebel, but now there is something else which is more powerful than me, which I am experiencing, such as society. Now I became manipulative. I tried to learn the game of manipulation. How to get what I wanted. How to manipulate them, how to see them what they wanted, and how to please them. And how to get into a relationship, how to be good, be nice to everyone. This and that I try to this thing, and I played this whole game because deep inside I was in search for the intimacy and love. I recognized this and I wanted it, and I played all the dramas to win attention. I wanted attention of girls and acceptance and get what I wanted. And seeking acceptance and approval has become my core nature. That has been my core nature. I will do whatever I want to get the acceptance. So if some meeting is going on, I'm the master of charisma at that time. I know how to pull all their attention towards me. Right? I mastered it. And I become the star of that group. That's what my goal was. I need that goal, I need that attention, I need that acceptance. This was going on until I am 29. This drama I was continuing. I used to have a nice holiday, went to Mauritius, put all photos in Facebook, bought a nice car, sunroof. I want to show off. Understand? That's the guy I was. I became that manipulative guy because I want people to think I'm rich. This was continuing, and 29 something else happened. And all the structures I have built, all these identities, started to break. Nothing is working out. Being manipulative, not working out. Someone else are becoming more manipulative than me and cheated me a lot.
Got married. Got married.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Got married and also seen the breakup part, separation part. That's the point where 3.5 years back the whole thing started. I used to do everything for my wife. she is the only person for me in my life. Like at that time, at age, since childhood, I never had like parents are hopeless. I cannot do anything for them. The only from I proposed to the girl for the first time when I'm in 3rd standard, 5 years old. So that's the kind of desperation I had for love. At every time I see a girl, I will propose. Right? That's the, and then finally with one person, at the age of 22, I said, right, I became too manipulative. I know how to do whatever I wanted. Right? I read Linda Woodman's Love Science. I know how she will, what is her personality. I will track. I know how to trigger that. I used to play this game, mind game. You understand? And that's how I won her attention. After she coming into life, everything for her. Whatever, after marriage of 2-3 months, her brother comes like, Didi, I need a bike. Take 50,000. Go. Have given your sister to me. What else? After that he comes, Didi, I have loved a girl, married a girl. Now I will help you. Come. We have taken the girl, eloped her, got them married. Not whatever, for her anything. You want my life? I am ready to give. Understand? That's what my definition of love was. To win her love, to win the attention. But whatever I do at some time I felt like, after 5 years of marriage, nothing was working out. I was not getting love. Nothing was working out, and that's the whole game which happened.